Hey everyone, in this lesson we're going to finish up our work with the verb travailler, to work. So in previous lessons you learned how to say I work, je travaille, you work, tu travailles, he works, il travaille, she works, elle travaille, we work, nous travaillons, you work, with the formal you, vous travaillez, they work, ils travaillent, elles travaillent. So in this lesson we are going to learn to ask the question, do they work? So remember, they work is il travaille, elle travaille. Il travaille, elle travaille. To ask the question, do they work? Remember, you simply reverse the word order. So conjugated verb first, then subject pronoun, and we separate them with a hyphen when we do inversion. So you have travaille-t-il. Normally we don't pronounce the T, but there is liaison here, so we will pronounce it in this case. So travaille-t-il, travaille-t-il, and travaille-t-elle. Travaille-t-il, travaille-t-elle. Do they work? Travaille-t-il, travaille-t-elle. Do they work? Travaille-t-il, travaille-t-elle. Okay, so let's put that together with what you already know. To work, travailler, do they work? Travaille-t-il, travaille-t-elle, here, ici, today, aujourd'hui, tomorrow, demain, a lot, beaucoup, and too much, trop. Okay, so to ask the question, do they work here? You will ask, travaille-t-elle ici? Travaille-t-il ici? Do they work today? Travaille-t-elle aujourd'hui? Travaille-t-il aujourd'hui? Do they work tomorrow? Travaille-t-elle demain? Travaille-t-il demain? Do they work a lot? Travaille-t-elle beaucoup? Travaille-t-il beaucoup? And finally, do they work too much? Travaille-t-elle trop? Travaille-t-il trop? Okay, so this lays the groundwork for something very, very important, which is in the next lesson. So to go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.